Hey YouTube, I just went and got my Tevas fixed. I love these shoes. They're so practical, and I bought these ones for about $25. But I've had them for a long time, even though I haven't used them that much. And the soles in the front, I noticed they started to come off, and I really don't want to have to buy a new pair because over here they cost about $100 at least. Anyways, I had another pair before, and the sole started to come off, and I left it a bit long, and it's actually, once you let them start to come off, it becomes a lot harder to fix. So I wanted to nip it in the bud, and I took it down to get them sewed. And I noticed in the third world there's a lot of places where you can do this kind of stuff. They do exactly the same thing in Honduras, and you know, it really makes your shoes last quite a lot longer. Especially because a lot of people buy cheap shoes here, like cheap Chinese running shoes, and they just do this to them immediately, because like I said, once they start to come apart, it's harder to get them, you know, to glue them back together. So if you just do it, if you get a pair of shoes and you do it first off, it'll make them last a lot longer. And you know, it's something that in the United States nobody does anymore. It's cheaper probably to buy a new pair of shoes than to pay someone to do this. They did this for $2. But I didn't even negotiate with them. To me it seemed pretty reasonable, so I said fine. But I mean, maybe I could have gotten a little bit cheaper. But anyways, check it out how they do it.
Ghét may gặp tôi ghét qua đen nó xé nè, hay gặp số đấy này thấy rồi, hai gặp chuột như mình bom ôn có đó, ta gặp những cái chuột cái bạch chuột kia này, còn dưới kia chuột các bạch tâm cái tay to là thế, con pha anh nhanh vô nó sợi anh thắng ơi anh có phải cho mình, đừng nói là